Serviced here, non-smoker vehicle. Potential factory remaining warranty of X months, X miles. See dealer for details. Extra clean, low miles, 7,410. Performance trim. Nav, sunroof, heated leather seats, all-wheel drive, turbo, quad seats, alloy wheels, Bang & Olufsen advanced sound system, rear side airbags, driver assistance package, cold weather package. Discover the Luther Advantage. The Luther Advantage is a complete and comprehensive package of benefits designed to make buying and driving a vehicle from the Luther dealerships a pleasant and convenient experience. From the peace of mind that comes with a 5-day 500-mile return or exchange policy, 30-day 1,500 miles full warranty and 60-day 2,500 miles limited powertrain warranty and free Carfax reports and clean title guarantee on pre-owned vehicles, as well as providing Luther customers with full range of valuable discounts at participating holiday station stores including 10 cents off a gallon, $6 for the works car wash among other advantages and guarantees. As much as we like satisfying customers, we like keeping them even more. Option packages, Bang & Olufsen advanced sound system, driver assistance package, Audi adaptive cruise control with stop and go, Audi Presense front, 20 to 95 miles per hour operation with coast, 4 distance settings, stop and go functionality, resume and accelerate features, stalk on steering column, speed shown in driver information display with enhanced braking guard, ability to initiate a full stop below 19 miles per hour, Audi Presense Plus, high beam assistant, Audi active lane assist when the system detects that the driver is leaving the lane without signaling. The car, through gentle, corrective steering efforts, will assist the driver to remain in the lane. Additional steering wheel vibration also occurs, as well as hands-off steering wheel detection which will disable the system completely. Check whether a vehicle is subject to open recalls for safety issues at safercar.gov.